Stop chasing every new AI tool that you see. You are not behind, you're not distracted because every week there's a new tool, new screenshots, new tutorials, new hype. One week it's this platform, the next week it's another platform someplace else. It almost feels like being back in high school. Somebody buys new shoes, and guess what? Now everybody needs them. The AI space works the same way, but here is the problem. Most people are asking, well, what AI tool should I use? But that is the wrong question. Ask this instead. What problem am I trying to solve? Where am I wasting time? What task do I need to repeat every day? What do I avoid because I hate doing it? And what would a simple system look like? AI works best when it connects to a process. So if your process is messy, AI scales the mess. I saw people jump into a new AI tool this past week. Some built smart workflows, others ran up big bills because they did not understand how things worked. Then guess what? The tool got removed. Access was changed. Nobody could even get into it anymore. And people had to start all over again. This is going to keep happening. Tools will continue to change. Prices will change. Platforms will disappear. But if your work depends on just one company, you rent your brain. You need to build systems that you control, that you keep the prompts, you document your workflows. You need to store your data locally. Think long term. And you don't need every new tool that comes out. What you really need is clarity. So, what are you solving right now?